The ecologist William Rees believes that to avoid a serious energy crisis in a coming decade, citizens in the industrial countries should actually be urging their governments to come to the international agreement on a president orderly, predictable, and steepening series of oil and natural gas price hikes over the next 2 decades due to the lack of political viabilities on the issues. Government mandate fuel prices hikes are unlikely, and the unresolvable dilemma of the fossil fuel dependence is becoming a weak problem. A global soft energy path seems improbable due to the rebound effects. Conclusions that the world is heading toward an unprecedented, large, and potential devastating global energy crisis due to the decline in the availability of the cheap oil lead to the call for and decreasing dependency on fossil fuels. Other ideas concentrate on design and development of the improved energy efficiencies, urban infrastructure in developing nations. Government funding for the alternative energy is more likely to increase during an energy crisis. So, for two are incentives for oil exploration, for example, funding for research into the inertial confinement fusion technology increases during the 1970s. The Kirk Sorensen and others have suggested that the additional nuclear power plants, particularly liquid fluoride thorium reactors, have the energy density to mitigate global warming and replace the energy from the peak oil, peak coal, and peak gas. The reactor produce electricity and the heat, so much of the transportation of infrastructure should move over the electric vehicles. However, the high process heat of the molten salt reactors should could be used to make the liquid fuel from the carbon sources. 2010 oil gulf rather the counterintuitively, the world economy has had to deal with the unforeseen consequence of the 2015-2016 oil glut, also known as the 2010 oil glut, and major energy crisis that took many experts by surprise. This our supply crisis started with a considerable time lag. More than 6 years after the beginning of the Great Recession, the price of oil stabilizing stabilized a relatively high level around the 100 billion a barrel. Unlike all previous recession cycles since the 1980s start of the first Persian Gulf War, but nothing guaranteed such price level in the perpetuity. Social and economic effects. The macroeconomic implication of the supply shock induced energy crisis are large because energy is the resources used to exploit all other resources. Oil prices shock and affect the rest of the economy through the rely businesses, investments, sectoral shifts, and the labor market or a monetary policy response. When the energy markets fail and energy shortage develops, electricity consumers may experience intentionally engineer rolling blackouts during the periods of the insufficient supply or unexpected power outages regardless of the cause. Industrialized nations are dependent on oil, and efforts to restrict the supply of the oil would have an adverse effects on the economies of the oil producers. For the consumer, the price of the natural gas, gasoline, and the diesel for cars and the other vehicles rises. An early response from the stakeholders is the call for the reports, investigation, and commission into the price of the fuel. There are also movements toward the development of the more sustainable urban infrastructure. In 2006 survey response in the United States were willing to pay more for a plug-in the hybrid car. Global new investment in the renewable energy in the market, new technology and energy efficiency measures become desirable for the consumers seeking to decrease transport costs. January 2030 28 Planet Arc example includes in the 1980 Briggs and Straggans developed the first gasoline hybrid electric automobile. Also are appearing plug-in hybrid. The growth of the advanced biofuels innovations like the down and folding bicycle modernize and the electrifying passenger transport, railway electrification system, and the new engines such as the Gang's Mavic located variable comparison ratio for the vehicles. Other responses include the development of the unconventional oil sources such as the synthetic fuel from the places like the Athabasca oil sands, more renewable energy commercialization and use of the alternative propulsion. There may be the regulation Relocation trend towards local foods and possible microgeneration, solar, thermal collectors, and other green energy sources. Tourism trend and the gas guzzler ownership and the varies with the fuel cost. Energy shortage can influence public opinion on the subjects from the nuclear power plants to the electric blankets. Building construction techniques improve insulation, reflective roofs, thermally efficient windows, etc. change to reduce the heating cost. Crisis management and electricity shortage is felt most actually in heating, cooking, and water supply. Therefore, a sustainable energy crisis may become a humanitarian crisis if an energy shortage is the prolonged. A crisis management phase is enforced by the authorities. Energy audit may be conducted to monitor usage. Various curfews with the intention of the increasing energy conservation may be initiated to reduce consumption. For example, to conserve power during the Central Asia energy crisis, authorities in the Tajikistan order bars consumption. For example, to conserve power during the Central Asia energy crisis, and cafes to operate the candlelight crisis loom as the better cooled blackouts hit Tajikistan. NPR retrieved 2008 to 10 in the worst kind of the energy crisis. Energy rationing and the fuel rationing may be incurred. Panic buying may past outlets as the awareness of the shortage is spread. Facilities closed down to save on heating oil, and factories cut production and the lay off the workers. The risk of the stagflation increase.